Wow, it has been a minute. It's been several minutes. It's been a while since I've made a video, so thank you very much for tuning back in and sticking with me and checking this out. I figured with this video, I wanted to do a product review as well as just kind of give you an update on what I've been up to lately and this new journey that has me pretty excited with where my life is going. So real briefly, as you might know, I used to work in real estate as a real estate agent. I haven't worked in real estate in over a year at least. And I recently had an opportunity to get back into real estate, not as an agent, but in the property maintenance, property management side of things. And I decided to pursue that opportunity. So I'm super excited. I'm learning a lot of new things on the property maintenance side, renovating, remodeling, repairing apartment units, and getting them ready to be rented. And a close friend of mine, Josh, he has his own real estate brokerage and property management company, and he has taken me under his wing and is showing me the ropes and teaching me a lot about the trade of apartment property maintenance. So before I got into property maintenance, I needed to get myself a decent set of tools. You can't show up at a job site without a set of tools. So I had various, random screwdrivers and various things kind of lying around, but I didn't really have really a solid tool set to work with. And I didn't want anything, beyond my level of expertise, which, let's face it, is fairly rookie level. I don't really consider myself a handy person, but I'm definitely a quick learner, and I'm anxious to learn, and I want to learn this trade. So I decided to hop on Amazon and pick myself up basically a basic set of hand tools that could pretty much get me through a lot of the repairs that we're doing. Stuff like laying down new floor, basic plumbing, basic HVAC and maintenance, just those types of jobs when you're working on apartments. And so I hopped on Amazon and I decided to get myself the WORKPRO 125-piece household toolkit. That's what it's called. I'll leave the link for this in the description box below. But this WORKPRO, which I guess is kind of like the husky of Amazon. If you go on Amazon and you just search tools, you'll find this brand, which I haven't seen in stores, but apparently I guess it's, I don't know if it's exclusive to Amazon or whatnot, but this got some decent reviews, and basically it had all the things that I wanted to show up at the job site with. And so, like I said, it comes with this bag. It's a 13-inch bag. Has a bunch of pockets on it. Pretty sturdy. Convenient carrying case to bring with you to work. And I'll just kind of go through what some of the, or I'll go through what all the pieces are that come with this thing. 125 pieces, and definitely a pretty good value. So let's start with this guy. This is the rechargeable power screwdriver. It's got the little light there. Yeah, I've used this a couple times, and it's definitely come in handy. It's not an impact driver, but it's just basically a power screwdriver. And it comes with this USB charger, or you can just plug it into the wall as well. Very handy. And it does come with the various bits, flathead, Phillips, and some other ones. Next, it also comes with a set of pliers. Let me show these to you. We got the needle nose. Oh, by the way, these tools have an anti-corrosive chrome finish. So I don't know if you would, leave your tools outside. You probably should be taking care of your tools, but I guess if you were to leave them outside, maybe in the rain, I guess they wouldn't rust at least too badly. But it does come with the 3 pliers. You got the needle nose. Apparently these are called linesman pliers. I didn't know that, but linesman pliers. And the water pump plier. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with the quality. They feel pretty good in the hand. Definitely have these nice rubberized grip. Yeah, the color pattern, whatever, it makes them kind of look, we'll say distinctive. I don't have a problem with it. I know it looks kind of cool. The red, white, and blue. I'm fine with that. All right, what else do we got here? It does come with a level, pretty handy. It does have a magnet so that you can attach that to metal. Has an 8-inch adjustable wrench, a 8-ounce claw hammer, again pretty sturdy, nice grip on that, and yeah, very well constructed. I wasn't expecting much from basically a brand that I'd never heard of that I bought off Amazon, but pretty decent tools. And if you check out that link to check these out on Amazon, just read the comments and the testimonials on this toolkit, and they were pretty good. So that's why I decided to pick it up. All right. Also comes with a set of these small screwdrivers. You get 2 of the flatheads and then 2 Phillips. Pretty nice. A 10-foot tape measure. Always need one of these things. Very cool. Has the belt clip as well. It does come with, let's see, some zip ties, as well as just a random box of fasteners. You got some plastic expansion anchors. Let me just open this up. Some thumbtacks. Hopefully I don't spill this all over the place. Cup hooks, fasteners. You got a couple sets of screws in there, and this little case here. So yeah, pretty handy. Nice set of Allen wrenches. Comes in this little holder here. And a utility knife, as well as extra blades. And also a pair of scissors. So that's what you get in the 125-piece WORKPRO Household Toolkit. Again, I'll leave the link to this in the description box below, but check it out if you are like me, you're just getting into property maintenance and you need a basic set of tools to bring you with you to the job site, or you just need something to doing basic repairs around your house. It's definitely a pretty good set to pick up. And I thought I'd just share with you just some additional tools that I also bring with me. These obviously didn't come in this toolkit, but these are some things that I've picked up that are just some additional tools that I bring with me. A set of work gloves. I'll also leave the description for these tools as well in the description below. I've got this 6-in-1 screwdriver. This is pretty cool because it has, you got one of the flathead parts there, but then you can just flip that around. You got a Phillips head right there. You can use that, or you can just take out this whole thing. And again, you have additional options for screwdrivers. Yep, pop that back in. Another flathead, and on the other side of this is another size for a Phillips. So yeah, just a handy little screwdriver. Obviously I have the power screwdriver as well, but sometimes you just want to quickly just have a screwdriver at the ready for you to use. It's always a good idea to carry a pen with you, or a Sharpie or pencil. I've got a drywall jab saw. Now these are great. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube of people actually unclogging drains, bathroom sink, kitchen sink, bathtub, using this type of tool. So that's why I want to pick one of these up. And obviously if you want to drywall, obviously this is what this tool is for. And one of my favorite tools, seen a lot of reviews on this. It's been called probably the most useful tool to have in your toolkit, but this is a Husky painter's tool, a 15-in-1. There's all sorts of various uses you can use for this. Maybe you can put like a paint roller in there and just squeeze out all the excess paint from there. You can pry off nails using this little hole in here. You can use it as like a putty knife, spreading putty, drywall mud, a scraper. It's got that beveled edge. It's got this sharp hook. You can clear out lines with it, just break up some layers of wood. You can just kind of just jam this and that would help with the separation. When you don't want to use a pry bar, it's got some other wrench holes there. And in the handle, it even has an additional little screwdriver here. Let me pull this out. Yeah, little screwdriver that actually just pops into the handle there. Pretty handy. So definitely something that you want to have in your toolkit. And I also picked up this from Husky. This is a 7-pocket utility pouch. It can just hang on your belt. Got a pretty strong Velcro tab right there. Loop it through your belt like that. You can hold all your stuff. You carry a little notebook, pens. I carry all these kind of additional tools in here, but it's handy to have. So there you go. That's my review of the WORKPRO 125-piece household toolkit and some additional tools that I bring with me to my new career working in property maintenance. Now, obviously, I still have the online business, marketing various health supplements, CBD, and just products that I use on a daily basis that have tremendously helped my life, tremendously helped improve many other people's lives, improve their health, and improve their wealth. So if you're interested in having your own online business, I'll also include a link for more information on that in the description below. So I'm super excited, gonna take you on this journey with me as I learn more and more about the property maintenance trade, as I go further along this journey. So I guess you could say I'm back into the real estate game. I'm super excited. Not in the sales side, been there, done that, but this is on the property management side of things. So super excited. I'll take you along on this journey. As I learn, I will share what I learn with you as well. So thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.